pas que tu veux le vidéo maman bayi. Nous me dit ma blog ma pour nous mi a fait politicien on fait dédié non. Les gars me sinam de on fait dédié non. Ayi mo idi o ko le dédié non. Ayi mo idi o ko le gakpo. Yo da si du me vio da de. Les gars me sinam de e ya me di be mi akpo. Jidefo alo hosika le mi asibe politician wa ti wa tro mi abagbe. Mi ahin atowe. E ya me di be mi akpo egbe. Les gars me sinam de. Good. Ame yoyo na be ya santewa. Les gars me sinam de. Ame yoyo na be ya santewa. The spirit of ya santewa. Alo eji no ya santewa side. Megalemia si. Megalemia ebe aussi. Even though enye ebrao. Megalemia pe politician aussi. Ame yoyo na be ya santewa. Ame velia yoyo na be Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Efe patriotism. Efe dokuito madi. Megalemia domo. Megalemia pe politician domo. MPP, NDC, name all of the politicians. Amade ke megale patriotic lemia domo. Elego mesinamdi. Aha. Yata magbanya de koto Ivonesime. Ebe mi boycott de is a very very good idea. Bemi ma vote na America o. Elego mesinamdi. No nye bemi ma vote na America o de. America ma win election. And for that matter, my be mi aba work with national coalition. Eya de one eya de miaji. The spirit of Gaddafi megalemia domo. The spirit Gaddafi pak benonode. Malemia domo. Magbolo. There is nothing wrong with Gaddafi. Nade kama Gaddafi won. Yo vode. Yo nye fiafitok pa ajeto. Ble ajobla swode. Wawe va ble Gaddafi. Wawe va ou Libya va sedegbe. Ghana pe Yamehu yide Libya si ton va ilo Ghana ton va kode bo Amedo Gale Ghana va sedegbe. Amedo Gale Libya va sedegbe. Yate pie de kai magle ya wase. Idi Ami obe Idi Ami ble kakaka but Idi Ami nem ya be president wo, ya be politician, they will have the energy of Idi Ami. Mia ingogbe. Regardless the bad effect of him or the bad side of him. If our politicians can stand firm, abele Idi Ami no agbere Ghana tronami. For babia nyebe leji isibia aw. Me leji isibio. Babia nyebe leji isibia aw. Elego mesinamde Mugabe egbona nyatepie gagbona nyatepe be British. Take your Britain. Let me take my Zimbabwe. Chow Britain macho nyodi. Bia sebede, how many politicians in Ghana can speak like that? Bia dokwe na bia dokwe se. Then na bia sebede nyatepe le alo nyatepe melo. How many politicians in Ghana can speak like the way Mugabe speak? Nobody. If I had to make a choice, our ex-president Jerry John Rawlings, the white man is not our enemy. Manya biabo futoyo miabo wulawe wawenye yovowe. Sigbe Jerry John Rawlings describe wema. Sigbo tawema. No be Jerry John Rawlings ne no yovo open no metatare. Sigbe wa describe wema. It is a high time. Gamade ojebe mi vumi apo susue. Gamade ojebe mi vumi apo susue. Osofo Kofi Che. Yinyemi atogbe. Ele nyado blo. Voy wa be Ghana to me tipe you aso. Machina we. The fact is what the old man is saying. Yama va mojima va da pagbalo. For me dipe na vuo susu me na bia doku so be ah. No kale jojo le mi ade du ko me. You nyebe small boy agede politics. Yako azugato. Machina we e ga ine man ka nye Ghana ga ya o le fifile dudu ore mi abo politician le fifile dudu ore. E ke mama na nyabere. You vote le bribe so that they will keep you in sleep. They will keep you hustling. If you are tired of hustling in Ghana, move out of Ghana. If you are tired of hustling in Togo, move out of Togo. If you are tired of hustling in Benin, move out of Benin. Na jole Benin na vazu kluvi na yo vole. Eya gbo mele na we. No me nya ode. Oko system ko dare. Ben kokoko. Yo ma gaba ko ya me tojibu ava fimi o ao. You ma ko tojibu da ava fimi o ao. You are forced me the situation around. Ale ne le fukpere anabe won to wa vule duo me. Ava yo gbo ke me yo asan we. Riot gbogbo le jojo le France de. Me yo nu me yo. Mi atowe ye me va mo ji ma ba da pa gbalo. Vo me va be na va wo susu me. Na nyode mi ga mega yi na va vote kra o. Mega defuna do ku o. E ya gbo me le na bonju. Because ya sante wa pe spirit de mega lo patriotism spirit de mega le nya domo. Do kwito didi ya draw ya nyabo politician draw data. Wa jira megbeto ale yo jira mi atogbo le blame asigbeke dabia selo a question to the Ashantis. Elego mislema Ashanti we ya pe babia obe mi atogbo me do school me nyanu kanu ka now yo vova hu mi atogbe we va fiwe da for oji de amat so efia we compensation ka ona we compensation ka yo vo we to we na we Golden Stool ade is it still with the British? Nega le British ko na Ashanti to seun obe yo nye unchukore no you know vai hwe. No vai hwe lo no vai hwe na yo vo me kwe ko to girl ko de. Golden Stool ade no me vai no me kwe ko to girl. O me ko next necklace o de. No you know vai hwe. Now human le ko ne obe unkezon mi hunkuson mi atogbe o menya fifia menya Ashanti onu agbale yo vo fia fito va fi mi apotogbe o pe Golden Stool ma de kuku na mi cha yo vo duo me cha Britain na mi akọ zikpe cover na mi simple and short just write a mandate no be yo senwure no you know va ko zikpe cover that dey je if democracy is working if human relationship or whatever it is happening ne sema le dowore they should get back their seat menye nu me o le mi ajira ba sedegbe evangelist ada e no ba bia sebere mi atowe nu kata onyebe ne queen va Africa ava idogbe na Ashanti ope fiareka nu kata onyebe na yovode president de va Africa ava idogbe na Ashanti ope fiareka he mi atogbe okwa chele zine na oyo togbe afede zine na ya va dogbe na lepeme mi atowe ejebe mi bunku na anyode mi ma vote kura o mi dasi vote na we na mi kwale Ghana yida because mi kpobe o le no mare mama le mele mi aso o de ko le mi afi ma gbanya de ko de me ele bibla me ele ko me siram de ele bibla me ma de le nyu foji bede the devil allo demon allo Satan yide Johannes Pagbale tawo pupe o ma han yo fugbe ko yo fugbe la sinye fifila ebede the thief enters only to steal kill and destroy the thief enters only to steal to kill to destroy Jesus be yivabe I came so that they could have life indeed so that they could live life to the fullest. Elle hiame dole owe. Elle live to the fullest. How? Christo date kema china be il live to the fullest. Because none of you la hal dole ou. Ghana to la hal dole ou. Ya Akufo-Addo, a president or Ghana government now. Ate wa joga kona be no tu. E ho gbagba mire. E ho fiafia mire. Adjobla so pe ho mire. eke manye me nyafi na mi yo le Ghana ko mo. By the way, magbonya de ko de me. Yo over Africa de do over wumi atogbe we fiwe. So this from the Bible, this is the first description of the white. And specifically the British. From the Bible, this is the first description. From the Bible, this is the first description that describes the Portuguese, the French, the Belgians who arrived, the Belgians who arrived in Africa. They came to rob our grandfathers. They came to steal them. During the colonial time, they came to rob us. Ole miaji dure dova fimi owu amewe amenyo yotore wa gbabe ameya fiafitoye mile cover the prison, and our own citizens will arrest our own brother and put him behind bar. Magbonyade recently, I don't know what happened to Black Rasta in the Hit FM. Black Rasta de nyemenya chejoreji the Hit FM. Vomenyabe Black Rasta is a youth that is trying to liberate you from your mind. For example, if I cannot remember anything at all, nyema don kunade kejiode. Black Rasta inyama gbanto yinami nyabe Yesu Kristo pe tatare ahachoe. A man was paid to change the picture of of Jesus. If only he existed. Miatowe nyate piede yata mefa moji. Agbenwe ke yata le nkonyese. No be fiafitore. The Bible describe the white who arrived with their ship called Jesus. Tojibu yo cover Africa de enkonye Jesus. Yemenya me kai de Jesus gomen God vibe gbemebe alo ebrugbamebe Yesu. Yesu e gomen yemere mi la fifa. Yesu de ebrugbe ya translate yevu gbepe Bible ko de megba. So leko ojo ya onyebo lagbale mede ya ovanyebe over bia mi atogbe ah ne ya me la fifa de leko yo ne ha. Ya obe Yesu, ya obe okay. Jesus Christ. E gomenye bede mi la vifa. Mi atowe mi na mi wu mi aposusu. Obi am ya talk bewe because egbede before they would translate it was one after the other. After what the gbe gomede egbedo le trot vivi yo fo me se blugbe. Apo tro agbale out. That obi if you are crying. Ne la vifa le. Eleko glone ha yabe Yesu mile avifa ya otro eko wo Yesu ne dro Yesu ko dadeta yata me glone be ye me gbe onu pola o le mi asi afi over ta mi abo onu pola o le no ponu no fia mi te pe egale na mi ba ijo sikale mi ba ijo ya te fia de kai e fi ya maglele enya mele gbogbo na wenya bele fia fitowe ajoblas wede. This is the first description from the Bible. This is the first description from the Bible. Tatepeya machinawe. Mele na le nyofunji. The Bible me. Every day, the thief enters only to steal, kill, and then destroy. Miapa anyigbaji de miatogbore. Me mana anyigba plamereko anyigba le vadagbre. Voide yovo de nakpada. Queen ho anyigba fete kosuto. Hide America nakpada. President alo government ho anyigba kosuto. Ya miatogbi o le fumade ya le fupe. O mate esu so video aba ho anyigba le miasi is the same system ya o le cover Ghana. Tame itibe ya vumya bo susume abe Black Rasta hawede. Je o konya de o je o de to le game me. We can no more hear from Black Rasta. The good education he's giving to the public, we can no more hear about it. They will make you comfortable so that you no more talk about it. Belgium president Belgium Jidula Mlokododa missionary we alo mawu dɔwɔla we le Congo yata Congo gbe megale dɔwɔ megale survive va se ɖe gbɔ yawo gale Congo zã va se ɖe gbe ne gale Bill Gates si ne yi ne wava yira Congo do ne tasi vaccination wɔwɔ yata mia nɔvi bia se be de ame va fi tɔgbe we wu tɔgbe we dia mafia we. Oh, shame unto you Africans, shame unto you Africans, shame unto African politicians, corrupt leaders, fiafiwe ajoblaswe eyanyemiabo politician we. If you put 10 politicians, only one person is patriotic. Selfish interest. When the white man is trying to build another house on the moon, they are thinking of how they can manufacture a DNA, a weapon that can kill only the blacks. You are sitting of how to rob your own country. How can you steal it from your own country and go and put it in your slave master's account? Are you thinking well? Babiama, foreign account because you want to buy dollar. Excuse me, you are a thief. You are what? According to the Bible, you are a killer. You are a destroyer. So the devil in the Bible is not the enemy you are thinking is in the ground. There's no spirit called Satan. There is no spirit called Satan. The Satan is the white man who came to kill our grandfathers. And still they go from there. Up to today, they are still stealing us. The white man, the representative of Britain, even now Lebanon Hotel day, he told me that he gave me 3 years. My flat belly will become what? Fat. But where is it? Look at the roads in Ghana. Look at the lighting system. Shame unto you. We change NDC and NPP and we don't know. If on Esime, we should boycott and we are going to boycott. If we will not boycott, we vote na mi adeto. Then ya chemi akpongo bedede. Fiawe mele gbogbo bede. Okonfanochi wo golden stool. He did not use his mouth to make a golden stool. Majakuku na mi gbogbo be mi wonade. Ya bla be o de ka mi awodeka. Na me de dafuko de na de ne chotalenu. Let us unite more than ever. Mi mi suboro. To Ghana me ko ide Togo me Togo me ko ide Benin. Mi na mi chami black onwere. Then we will see how the politicians will survive.
They are in laboratories trying to think up and design new ways to kill people. I just want you to think about that. When was the last time any of you sat down and thought of a good way to kill someone? Could you just raise your hand, the one who had the thought? I mean, beloved, do you know that there's still no gun authored by the black man? Tell me the gun that we designed. Uzi wasn't our design. AK-47 is not ours. Luger is not ours. Smith & Wesson is not ours. And we can go on. AR-15 is not ours.
With a serious confrontation by the governor's extremely provocative request for the golden stool, which is the religious symbol of unity for the Ashanti nation. Not quite long ago, the man came and unilaterally occupied our God-given land, and by force of arms has declared Ashanti Kingdom a British protectorate. We should also not forget that during the reign of King Karikari, the aggressors waged a senseless war on us, destroyed the seat of our Ashanti monarch, and burnt our palace after looting all the treasures bequeathed to us, taking our brave men for a ride. The governor arbitrarily arrested and deported our king together with some prominent chief of Ashanti without you men raising a finger. Today, he has come again to demand the golden stool. Gallant youths and men of our fatherland, shall we sit down to be dehumanized all the time by these rogues? We should rise and defend our heritage. It is better to perish than to look on sheepishly while the white man whose sole business in our country is to steal, kill and destroy, threaten to rob us of our golden stool. Arise, men, and defend the golden stool from being captured by foreigners. It is more honorable to perish in defense of the golden stool than to remain in perpetual slavery. I am prepared and ready to lead you to war against the white man.
Elego me sinamdi. Magbonya de kodeme. Enyabe egbe yimi le fifi lai. Enyabe egbe yin klo mi le fifi lai. Etude kemele hehiame. Yonye ame boy wo 2 hour. Babia me dibe ma bia we ma. Ewu ame ibo. Enyabe egbe nkeke ya mi le fi. Enyabe tude kemele yi onye ame boy we etu eva. Ala ame boy we ya. The author of gun. There is no black man that uttered the gun before. For fifi la nye klo mi le pole. Machine wole. So if you're a black man, you are going to a shop, machine can blow alarm on you. They have developed our machine. Ye benuka ewa me ibode wa gbanere machine na detect. E da wede machine na detect. Our machine fifla machine o le solimele wo. Alo le lamp le wo enye bede. O yo fo no ya fokula o le susubu leke ma wa wu amegbeto. Leke ma wa wu amegbeto. Leke ma wo awu ameibo. But si agbevo ko Biblia cover na we. Machi na we. Na de kema le Biblia mo ne le yo fo be ma usubo. Na de kema le me na we. Na enye Kristo to de. Enye Kristo to de me le chichi na we be de. But you don't know go popo. Try our tradition. Look at Amiapo politicians when they have a tradition. They are afraid of it. Because they can't steal. If I challenge them, Yatameleblo, Bemiato, Jerry John Rawlings, you have been a president before, you know the procedure. Make sure, Jerry John Rawlings, make sure that our government, our politics go along with our tradition. We will no more swear in Bible and Quran. Let us swear in Ogopo and Adwa. Simple and short. Our dead grandfathers, they are ready to fight for the nation Ghana, not Anas. Let us leave Anas alone. Miabo politician where wa wenye mia fila wegba. Kokpede miabo sofo pla adoblasu pastor we. Because onyanya tepe bede yo la mefi. Ewunde kemek sei, ewunde ke imeke, ewunmekere ya mesebere pastor de ba wona de. Be si agbami asenyare. Ya pastor wele 4x4 mele yile gbogbo ya wo ya nele male be Yesu ya va ku ya ide Yesu. You are crying. That is the meaning of I am Yesu. You are crying, or we are crying. Yata evangelist adaible. Ebe e God, mawi me akpo epun sewe. Le Bible me, ya ma akpo epun se la gbagba odomere. Manye mawi John he ya me po, mi me se pe po. Mawi na abolojo, ya ogbegbe ma na abolo ajo na me o. Mawi yu to me, ya ni amu mo secret o to me. That God, where is he? Ya me buge injo. Fino no. Wo susume amebo. Wo susume. Enya ma china we ma. Wo susume. Nele nye kpole moji de. Wo susume pe bubude ya ta me va moji. Agbenweke. Adebe, adeblu, adehe ya me pete.
Yeah.